It's Izzy and Summer. We're trying to type in another way to make slime. This is going to be a quick video. By the way, we have made some slime right here, which we never really make slime, but it needs settings, so guys, it hasn't finished, but we'll definitely show you a vlog of. It's white. And it's just a white slime.
And look at it. It's still
not even filming it. Oh, sorry guys. Look guys. See guys? It's starting to turn. Feels like more like jelly when you poke it. But it's turn. And we're starting to form. But we gotta wait 2 days maybe. And maybe 1 day. Don't know. Because we put it in the freezer and the girl we saw didn't. So it might make it quicker. Ah, by the way, I haven't been eating cake. That's why my mouth is a mess. But yeah, guys, I'm going to show you outside.